What up, YouTube? This is your president, the Presidential Terrorist, back with another cool unboxing drink review video. Coca-Cola has recently come out with a new flavor of Coke. It's only been for sale for a few days or so, and it was a TikTok store exclusive. So I was able to buy it. This is Coca-Cola from the Coca-Cola Creations line. What's it, Happy Tears, I believe it's called. And this is really cool. This is in a metal case and everything. But I finally got it in. It comes with a couple keys, which is awesome. Let's pop this open. Look at this. How awesome that is. Some with glue or something's on this. But that can be taken care of. Look, it's in a real metal case and everything. But let's look at the inside, huh? Oh, look at that! Look how cool that looks. Oh, oh, oh. I'll get under all the cool stickers. So let's put this right here. And let's pick those bad boys up. I know you'll see the top of my balding head, but nothing I can do about that. Okay. Some cool stickers. Come on, well, here it is. Drops of Joy. This. This is cool. Definitely a little bit more glue than should be. Happy Tears. But put that little glue right there for now. Day Made. And I don't want to rip this. Stick and style your box. Okay, so I bet you all the stickers used to be in this like little envelope type thing. They must have came out when it was being moved and shipping. For crying out loud. So cool. A nice little thing of stickers. That's awesome. These is a pack of tissues. And then there's a t-shirt in here. From what I understand, it's extra large. Oh, there's another sticker here. Another Happy Tears. Extra large. Fortunately, just a little bit too small for me. I usually take a 2X. But that is cool. But the main thing. Oh, look at that. Yeah, there's some glue and stuff on this. It's not from the Coke. The Coke's okay. This is awesome. And this is limited edition too. This is number, and they're numbered. This is number 2310 of 50,500. And it's right there is the limited edition number. Gotta try to get this glue off without damaging the can. I don't know. Well, okay, here it comes. This is something that wasn't supposed to be there. I don't think so. But yeah, look at that. That is a beautiful can. Zero sugar Coca-Cola Creations. Coca-Cola Happy Tears. Look at that. See if I can get into the... See the number. It'll show. See right there. This is awesome. Pull out the other can. Yeah, they both have that glue on it, so I wonder if that's supposed to be there. Whoops. Well, we could put it right back, which is what I'm going to do. It's going to put it right back. There. Doesn't even look like it was ever off. So they're both on the exact same place, so I think they're supposed to be there. There, I put it right back. This is awesome. This is this one's limited. Yeah, this one's 2309 of 15,500. This can. So this is one after another. Very cool. I'll definitely, of course, drink these. Looks like they expired June 30th of 24. But look, that is a beautiful can. Let's open one up right now. I normally don't drink these. Normally don't drink these warm. But and they have like stickers on it and everything. This is definitely different. This is really awesome. Okay. Well, I hate to open these, but cans, they will eventually actually leak, so might as well drink it. Alright, let's go. I have no idea what it's supposed to taste like. Ready? It kind of smells like, and it's really fizzing too. It actually smells like Pepsi. You know it's zero sugar. It kind of tastes like Pepsi. You'd also taste Coke. Almost like a lemony flavor to it. It's not too bad. It does have a fairly refreshing taste. This would be better if it was cold. But yeah, it tastes like a cross between Pepsi, Coke, lemony flavor. That's what it tastes like to me. It's good. But the main thing is the case. Look at that. That's a metal case. And yeah, with the soft inside. This is really cool. I'm going to drink both these. Put the cans back in there. If you get this, remember that glue stuff's supposed to be on there. So I put it back how it was. Luckily it stays. And must be the glue. It's supposed to be on the outside of the case too. This is definitely different. But awesome. This is delicious. And the can's cool, the case is cool, the whole thing is really awesome. I'm very happy I got this. So you can pick these up at a store in TikTok. There's other places you can buy it too secondhand if you don't want to go through TikTok. But yeah, if you're a pop enthusiast, I definitely recommend getting this. This is a cool souvenir. It's a cool experience to try this, to open it up, to unbox it for you today. I'm so glad I was able to get it. And yeah, if you have any comments or questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye. Alright, this is cool.